Today I'm going to add a swing arm bag to the bottom side of my bike. Wanted to get something that was nice and durable, and been reading about the Ends Cuoio bags, about the Ends Cuoio Paco bag, and that's what we're going to install now. So this arrived a short time ago from Italy, and let's open it up, see what we got. Alright, so we've got the bag itself. Looks really nice. The one I got, I also got the quick release, so it's not just the buckle. I actually pull up on this and it opens up that way. Inside you've got typical leather flaps. This thing is really thick material. This is really nice. It's gonna look pretty good, I think, on the bike. So in the bag, inside the bag, you'll have the instructions, which we're going to go through here in real time, and then a package of hardware. So this is what you get. This is the mounting bracket that's going to go on the swing arm. And let me grab the appropriate tools from the workbench, and then I will continue on. What you're going to need is a T30 and then a 10mm. It's really all you're going to need. So the first thing you want to do is remove these T30 screws. The threads are, looks like, attached already to bolts that are part of the bracket. And so this bracket is foam in here. It's going to make it hold nicely on the swing arm and not vibrate. Hopefully not get any weird sounds too. So you want to take and bend it enough where you can get it on the swing arm. Get it in place. What I'm going to do is take these bolts off here, or these nuts off here. And just see where it's gonna fit, so I can make sure it looks okay. Okay, so it looks good. So we've got that in place. We're going to replace these two screws. Now, I'm gonna go do this right now and just show you how I'm doing. I'll come back later and actually redo it with Loctite, just so that they don't come off. So what I'm going to do, instead of just trying to hold it and get that in there, because the clamp wants to stay open once you bend it open, and the screws aren't long enough to get a really good bite on it and draw it in close. They're just about the right length. So I'm going to use a power screwdriver with a T30 tip at the end. I've already got one screw in, as you can see. What you want to do is you want to grab it with your hand and push the two pieces together while letting the screwdriver try to catch the thread. So I got one in already. The second one's kind of a pain because there's not a really good way to hold it. There it goes. Alright, good news is that's a pretty solid connection. I don't think it's going to fall off. Bad news is that's a pain in the ass. Alright. With that behind us, we got the two studs here, and there's holes on the back leather, and that goes all the way through the bag. This has got a steel backing. So you're actually going through these holes into metal backing. Alright, there you go. Once you get both holes on there, or both studs through the holes, it's hard to really see in there, but you want to put a washer and then a round bolt and then tighten it down. Alright, I got both of them hand tight. Now I will tighten it the rest of the way. Suggest you use some kind of a ratcheting wrench, what this is. So either a ratchet or one that, like a box wrench with a ratchet end on it. And again, I'm going to come back and Loctite these so I don't lose my bag down the road. And that's it. So here's a look at the bag with the bag on it. That's pretty good. Alright. Thanks for joining. Like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.